2017 Northeast 137th. I'm making this recording from the roof vent. Looking at where we drop into the Seattle City main there. I'm going to pull back from this point to get a look at the line. We're coming back into 6-inch diameter concrete there. And it turns right there before the main. We're sitting right now at the 4-inch by 6-inch sewer diameter transition spot. I'm going to go locate this spot. I'm talking to the recording here, Mitchell. We're going to go locate this spot in the front yard. Looks like we got about 33 feet of that original 6-inch pipe before we hit the main. Pausing the video. We're going to continue the recording now. Be able to do it from up top here. Right there we come back into the 4-inch diameter liner, and we're back into this, it's like some sort of inversion liner, permaliner maybe. Back into a section of plastic there where there's a dual sweep clean out that was installed. Back into liner again. There's a small section of concrete right there at the beginning. It's unclear why they didn't line that section, but I'll go locate that spot out front. Take a look. Oh, I know why they didn't line it. What you got going for you? Mitchell, is you don't have a basement, so there's no, like a lot of the sewers in Seattle are super deep because everybody has a basement and everybody's got a bathroom in their basement, so the sewage has to come out of that basement super low. You don't.